In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and apply a custom table style in Word. If you've ever found yourself manually formatting tables over and over, this will save you time and keep your documents consistent. Start by clicking anywhere inside a table in your document. As soon as you do, you'll see the Table Design tab appear on the ribbon. That tab only shows up when a table is selected, so if you don't see it, click back into the table. On the Table Design tab, look for the Table Styles gallery. You'll see a row of thumbnails. At the far right, there's a More button, usually a small arrow with a line above it. Click that to expand the full gallery, and then choose New Table Style. A dialog box opens where you'll create your custom look. Give your style a clear, memorable name so you can find it later. Now set the formatting for the key elements: the header row, the first column, banded rows, borders, and shading. Use the Apply formatting to drop down to target each part of the table. For the header row, consider bold text, a slightly larger font, and a contrasting shading color to make column titles stand out. For the first column, subtle emphasis like semi-bold text or a lighter shade helps guide the reader's eye across. Turn on banded rows for readability. Alternating light shading makes long tables easier to scan. Set borders thoughtfully. Thin, consistent lines usually look clean and professional, while heavier borders can outline the whole table or the header for emphasis. For shading, aim for contrast that's easy to read when printed and on screen. Avoid colors that are too dark or saturated. If you want Word to use this style automatically for tables you insert later, check. Set as default for new tables. This applies your custom style to new tables in this document, so you don't have to reapply it every time. When you're happy with the design, click OK to save the custom style. Word adds it to the Table Styles gallery, typically under a Custom section. To apply it, select any table in your document, open the Table Styles gallery if needed, and click the style by the name you chose. If a header or banding doesn't show as expected, make sure the checkboxes in the Table Style Options group, like header row, first column, and banded rows, are turned on for that table. That's it. You've created a reusable, professional table style and applied it with a click, keeping your documents consistent and polished.